Start by going to Google and searching for Chatgpt Shopping. Click on the official OpenAI Chatgpt link to access the platform. Once inside Chatgpt, simply type what you're looking for. Whether it's electronics, home appliances, or fashion, Chatgpt instantly provides product images, descriptions, and intelligent recommendations tailored to your query. Need more clarity? Ask follow-up questions, explore features, or request specific details. Unlike traditional search engines, Chatgpt responds conversationally, helping you narrow down your choices with precision. For even better results, add your preferences, such as budget, brand, color, or specific features. The more details you provide, the more personalized and relevant your recommendations become. Before making a final decision, you can dive deeper with detailed reviews, side-by-side comparisons, and clear pros and cons to make an informed decision. Instead of guessing which option might work best, you can explore real user feedback. Once you've chosen your product, proceed to purchase, either by visiting the seller's website or buying directly through the chat interface from this Buy option. With Chatgpt, shopping becomes a guided, intelligent experience